Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to another episode of Register for Dinner. I'm your host, Sebastian Register.
And I'm the sidekick today, Paul Register.
And today we're making one of my favorite sides to go with pasta, garlic bread. But not just garlic bread, we're doing garlic bread 3 ways. So stay tuned.
The first thing we're going to do is we're going to slice a number of slices of bread on a bias, and we're just going to do 6 slices today, 2 for each type of garlic bread. So this is fairly self-explanatory. Okay, put those on our baking tray basket and put it in the air fryer. What the hell is that?
Yeah, what is this? What is this? We don't need this. We don't need that. Let's get some good slices going.
Yeah, man, we're going to take that back. Okay, into the air fryer. This doesn't take very long. Be very cautious. That can turn into charcoal in a heartbeat. Now, the next thing we're going to do is we're going to start working on the roasted garlic bread, and the reason it takes about 20 minutes to do it in the oven. So all you do, sharp knife, cut the end of it off like so. Piece of aluminum foil, garlic in, a little bit of olive oil, things of black pepper, wrap it up.
And that's it. It's pretty easy.
And it goes into a 400-degree oven for about 20 or 25 minutes.
Yeah, roughly.
Okay.
Perfect. So while the garlic bread is toasting, or while the garlic is roasting and the bread is toasting, I'm going to make my personal favorite garlic bread, which you have to bear with me on this one. This one gets a little strange, but believe me, it is fantastic. I haven't had a single person that doesn't enjoy it. And first thing that goes in there is mayonnaise. Yes, I said mayonnaise. Believe me, it works. So I have
Duke's mayonnaise.
Duke's mayonnaise, to be specific. You can use whatever. I like Duke's. So first thing that I'm going to add to it is a little bit of Italian seasoning. I would say about a half a teaspoon. Then I'm going to grab, 3 to 4 garlic cloves.
There you go. Have some left from the tops.
Perfect. More the merrier. And you're just going to give these a really fine chop. Mince them up. This one still has the skin. I won't mess with that one. So you just want a nice hint of garlic, but with the mayonnaise, the Italian seasoning, the Parmesan cheese, the pepper, everything just works wonderful together. So to that I am going to add, in fact, Parmesan cheese. I would say about a tablespoon. A little bit of black pepper. And because I added a tablespoon of Parmesan cheese to this little amount, honestly I don't think I'm going to add any salt. I think it's just perfectly fine the way it is. And I'm going to give it a good mix. And that's it, honestly. And this doesn't even have to be used for garlic bread. My dad and I were just talking, and it says if you're going to do like an Italian sliced beef sandwich or just a roast beef sandwich, this is like crack for a sandwich. It's so good. So the bread is finally done toasting. Now it's time for assembly of the 3 garlic breads. So I'm going to go ahead first with my spread because that actually needs to finish toasting in the oven. And I'm going to spread a generous amount. You don't want to do too much, but a good portion of the spread on top, like that. Place it back onto your rack. And then just give it just a little bit more sprinkle of Parmesan cheese on top, because you can never have too much cheese. And finish off with just a little bit of Italian seasoning. And a couple cranks of the freshly ground black pepper. Alright, you're going to want to keep this in the oven on broil and keep a very close eye on it. You don't want to burn the cheese, you don't want to burn the toast. This is already pre-toasted, so it's honestly going to take about 2 minutes on broil.
It doesn't take long, and folks, It is easy to burn this. Okay, let's get started with the next garlic bread. I think what we'll do is we'll do the roasted garlic. If you saw me put it into the oven, we did this a few minutes ago, and you just take the roasted garlic and take a look at that. Look at that beautiful brown nutty color you have there. Take and then squeeze the whole thing, and you should get, and you do get, nice roasted garlic cloves that are soft, delicious, and they have their own sweetness to them, which completely changes the characteristics of garlic. You crush it up until you make sort of a paste. Add a little bit of olive oil. Okay, you have it so the oil was incorporated. Take some of this.
But pretty much what we just created was like a paste. Exactly what he said. It's essentially just a paste. You know, you should probably use a knife.
I should have, but I didn't think that far in advance. Put a little cheese on that.
Yeah, why not? All right, just like that, that's one garlic bread done. Simple as pie. My garlic bread is about to be done. It's got another minute and a half or so in the oven. And then, Dad, you're just gonna do just the last one, which, if you've seen the bruschetta video, it's very, very easy. It's probably the most authentic way to make garlic bread.
A lot of ingredients. Toasted bread, piece of raw garlic. All you do is just rub it on. The bread acts like is a coarse, almost sandpaper-like. You rub this on. Normally when I serve this, I don't do this. I will toast the bread, put it on the table, and a bowl of garlic cloves we'll have on the table also, and then you take your own garlic clove and rub it over the bread, and that way you can have as much or as little as you want. Finish it with a little bit of olive oil, and there you are. How hard is that?
Now let me go check on my garlic bread. It should be ready. Oh yeah. It's perfect, as anticipated.
Notice how it's puffed up a little bit.
It's from the mayonnaise.
Yep.
All right, guys. And just like that, we have garlic bread 3 ways. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Once again, my name is Sebastian Regester.
And my name is Paul Regester.
And this is Regester for Dinner. If you enjoyed today's video and can't wait for us to cook something else up, make sure you smash that like button, comment below, and subscribe. But until next time, stay hungry, my friends.
Ciao.